I got 100,000 subscribers, 26 million views, and YouTube monetization in less than 2 weeks. Basically by chilling and doing almost nothing. No clickbait, no scams, just a real experiment and one silly country flag game that went viral and changed everything.
Portugal wins.
I'm honestly glad I was one of the first to start this trend, because now it's wild. At the same time, it feels exciting and strange. This experiment went way bigger than I expected. No joke. Look at YouTube live streams right now. There are tons of them, and some are pulling huge traffic. That's crazy. And in this video, I will show you how to build this game in just 20 minutes, and compare versions made by ChatGPT versus Gemini and Claude. For a moment, I felt like Mr. Beast or iShowSpeed. I got flooded with messages on Instagram and TikTok about this country flag game and the success behind it. The secret? Just running the HTML game live every day. Sometimes a lot of hours. I know some people will say it's brain rot or dopamine content. Maybe, but on the other hand, the game is entertaining. You learn new countries and flags, get information, chat with people live, make friends, listen to music. It becomes a whole interactive experience. No wasted time. Let's go. All right, let's jump into the country flag game code. First up, ChatGPT. I have prepared a pretty long and detailed prompt message and some images to better describe the game.
No.
Actually, I will not use ChatGPT browser version, but code editor for faster result seeing. But basically, it's the same as ChatGPT. Timer starts, 20 minutes. Let's go. In under 3 minutes, I got the first result. Not bad, but it needs improvements. I quickly ask,
please remove country name labels from balls. Make this gameless, chaotic, and physics more predictable.
Okay, better, but still slow. Next prompt. Let's add some more bouncing and sound effects. Okay, now I see a sound button, but bouncing is weak. Third prompt message.
Make circle game bigger 2 times and ball movement faster.
Wow, this is much better. Let's add second gap in circle to make her more interesting. Okay, ChatGPT did it very fast. I still have plenty of time, so I decided to ask some silly prompt messages. Enjoy.
Time's up.
I'd rate ChatGPT 7 out of 10. Now let's test Claude. I have high expectations here. Again, we will start with the same long prompt message and screenshot images for better describing. I will use Claude Sonnet 4.5. However, Claude Opus 4.6 also is a good option here. Claude feels fast immediately at this point compared to ChatGPT. Under 2 minutes, first result, but frozen. There's an error. Let's ask to fix it. We'll see how fast Claude will solve this issue. Okay, still very fast. So basically, under 3 minutes, game is already working, but gap is too tiny. I wrote prompt message.
Make gap much larger and add audio effects and country round winning celebration.
Wow, I already hear a sound effect in parallel window. I am surprised how fast Claude actually is. Okay, gap is larger and audio effects are working, and country round celebration appeared too. But game looks slow. Let's add second gap in circle opposite side and increase ball speed too. I am absolutely shocked with this speed. Basically, each feature is created by 30 seconds by Claude. Okay, I will try to use my imagination to create new ideas to make this game better, because we still have much time left.
Iceland, Ecuador, New Zealand, Venezuela, Kuwait, Arabia, Ecuador, Nepal, New Zealand.
3 is underway. Who will survive?
Yeah, that's a solid
Only
10.
5
That
slots
speed
remaining.
is
This is
insane.
getting
And there were
intense.
less code as well. Only 1,100 line
The
of
winner is
codes.
Bahamas.
And now, the final contender, Gemini. Same challenge, new model. Let's see what this model can do. It looks more detailed compared to previous models. Under 3 minutes, first result. I like the center countdown display. Let's remove circle around the flags emoji and increase country flags. Okay, looks better, but some country flags are broken. Let's ask Gemini to fix it by giving example which flags are broken. I also ask to change circle line, add more colors, and second gap in circle. Wow. I don't know why, but Gemini is slower and maybe more bugs. But there is something special. It has own uniqueness that other AI model doesn't have. Unfortunately, Gemini is spending much more time on building than other, but I like result. Audio is too chaotic, but overall the game is different. I can't say it is worse. It also has leaderboard, celebration moment, bounce battle, countdown in the center, etc. So I will give 8 of 10, but it's just my opinion. So in the end, we got 3 different country flag battle games, each made in 20 minutes. But as you saw, sometimes you need just 5 minutes to create a game which can make money, new subscribers, huge traffic and views, and so on. The world has changed a lot. 2 years ago, YouTube was different. It's insane that now, by doing nothing, just sharing screen using OBS Studio, and run simple HTML web game during live stream, you can get those numbers. My peak was 25,000 online viewers at the moment. Most watched video was 3 million views. You can check it by your own. If there is any question about revenue, ads, live stream settings, source code, geoanalytics, etc., then just ask in comments. I will be transparent and crystal clear about these data.